friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video we are going to learn probability. In probability we are going to cover a few topics, which is z-text, t-text, then binomial and Poisson. In z-text we have formula x bar minus mu upon sigma divided by root n. Here in the given problem set we have to find this value, which is x bar and sigma, then divide by root n. So how to find this value? First we have to read the problem. In the problem set they have given n value variance. If in somewhere they have mentioned SD, which is standard deviation, then we don't need to keep the value in a root, in a square root. We can simply write the S standard deviation value there instead of writing variance x. In the given solution they have mentioned variance. Due to this we have written the value in square root. We have to find that value. Then value is 3.2. A random sample 50 items given the mean 6.2 and variance 10.24 can be redirected as drawn from a normal population with mean 5.4 at 5% level of significance. In first line they have given the n value plus mu value. Whenever you get this value, means 50, then 60, like that, then that value is n value. After that there is a mean which they have mentioned. This is x bar value. Here they have mentioned variance. In some places they will mention standard deviation, so we have to write standard deviation there instead of writing in a root. To find the standard deviation we write a root. Then mu value is mentioned here, which is this one, from a normal population with mean 5.4 at 5% level of significance. So mu is 5.4. Next, after writing this we have to write h1, h0 or h1. h0 means it will accept the value, or h1 means it will reject the value. This is the formula x bar minus mu upon sigma into divided by root n. We have to simply put all the value here, then we will get the z value. Here we need to remember one thing: if the value get in a negative, then while writing in the mod we have to make it positive. After that, level of significance. Here they have mentioned level of significance 5%. So we will divide this. We will get 0.05. Like this one. This is. You see. First, okay. 5 divided by 100. ST. 0.0. Then we need to find the critical value. In z-test we have value in 1.96. in t-test we have 2.13. in somewhere they will mention. If they will not mention, then we have to consider this value. Then we need to compare. If the value is less than given critical value, then it is accepted. If it is greater than, then the value is rejected. Let's see another example of this. The same, this one. Okay. A random sample of 400 members is found to have mean of 4.45 centimeters. Can it be read as a sample from a large population whose mean is 5 centimeter and variance is 4 centimeters? Level of significance is 5%. So here they have mentioned n is equal to 400 and x bar equal to 4.44. how to find the x bar value. Whenever you see the n value, means the larger value, which is 400 or 200, something like that, in that sentence itself they have mentioned the x bar value. After that, mu is 5, then sigma is 4, root 4. Here also they have mentioned variance. Due to this, we are taking this value in a root. Then same h0 equal to mu equal to 5, h1 equal to mu is not equal to 5. Then this is the formula, bar x bar minus mu upon sigma divided by root n. We have to put this value here, then we get the value, z value. Here you can see we got the value in a negative. So while putting in a z mode, we have to make it positive. Then same level of significance. Level of significance is 5%. You can find this by dividing by 100. Same. Critical value z 1.96. Then we have to compare if the given value is less than the critical value, then it is accepted or it is rejected. In this scenario, it is rejected. It shows rejected. Sorry. In z test, we have 5 steps. First, we have to find all the value. Second, we have to write a formula, which is x bar minus mu upon sigma divided by root n. Then we have to write level of significance, which will be 0.05. Then critical value, which will be 1.96. After that, we need to compare the z value plus critical value. If the given value is less than, then it is accepted. If it is greater, then it is rejected. Now which one? Let's see t-test now. Yeah. A random, this is a t-test distribution. I'm not doing the questions. T-test. Somewhere I should mention. I have not mentioned here. I have not mentioned here. Okay. This is a t-test problem. A random sample of a size 16 from a normal population should mean of 103.75. In z-test or t-test, the key difference is the given value. In z-test, the given value is greater than 30. In t-test, the given value is less than 30. A random sample of size 16 from a normal population should mean of 103.75 centimeters, and sum of square derivation from the mean is 843.7 centimeter square. Can we say the population has mean of 108.75? In this, we have to find the s value in place of sigma. How to find the s value? There is a formula which we will see later on. To find the t value, written as z here, will write t. To find the t value, we have x bar minus mu upon s divided by root n minus 1. S value is root sigma x minus x bar upon x minus x bar square upon n. Here, if you can see, we have x minus x bar value is 843, which is mentioned here. Sum of square of derivation from the mean is 843.7. So we have to write this value here. Then divide by n. N value is 16. So we